Hello people, welcome to HandlebarLove. So the time right now is 4 a.m. and today I'm going to a dam called Dandiganahalli Dam, which is roughly located about 80 kilometers from my place. And people who have gone to Nandi Hills might have seen this restaurant called Nandi Upachar restaurant, from where you take a left to go to Nandi Hills. The dam is actually located about 35 kilometers from the place where the restaurant is. And today in this ride I'll be joined by 3 other friends. One of them will be my pillion. So right now I'm going to his place and pick him up, and we'll go to other 2 friends place, carry on the journey from there. So this place, the Dandiganahalli Dam, is actually somewhat like a secret place. Most of them from Bangalore doesn't know about this place. This place was recommended by the YouTuber Big Bang Biker. The place is actually like lonely place, you can say, and I don't think anybody will be there in this morning. Like, we'll be reaching in about 2 hours or something, so I don't think anybody will be there, and it will be somewhat peaceful. So we might be able to get some good shots and good videos. So yeah, that's it. Let's hope for the best. And this is my setup. Nothing really much, because this is just a small ride. I just have my helmet, my jacket, and my glove, and I have my backpack in which I have my GoPro and the wallet, and another camera in which I will take some good photos. Maybe I'll get something good. So that's it. The ride will start in about 15 minutes. See you on the other side. Okay, so the update, caught up with my friends, and I'll be taking the Hebbal route, because I don't think the Old Madras road is quite safe. So yeah, I'll be taking that route. Okay, so the ride starts right now. Okay, so this is the road at 4 a.m. with minimal traffic. I have my friend as a pillion. Actually, the other 2 friends are like waiting for us en route. So I'm going to their place. These are the people, my friends. As of now, it's pretty dark, and it's inside the city, so there's nothing to be seen.
So right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest.
Update, we're on the road to Dandiganahalli, the airport road. It's still pretty dark, and it's so boring. All you see are those cabs with those high beams on, blinding the people on the opposite side. I really hate it when people use their high beams when there is no need for high beams. See, the road is almost lit. People on the other side are getting blinded. And sometimes these high beams are so bright that you won't be able to see anything. Like, seriously, nothing you will be able to see. This is one thing I hate about drivers. I have driven through Kerala, I have driven through Tamil Nadu, I have driven through Andhra Pradesh, I have driven through Karnataka. In all these places, I've seen people like these. They won't understand how much it affects people. I don't know why this guy was looking at me.
In the cut, everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word, I know what's up. You can have it all, watch me whip it off.
The sun is coming out lightly. I think we need to hurry up so that we can see the sunrise. But I'm not pretty sure whether we could reach there on time. But still, it's fine. There's always the next time though. The weather is pretty cool right now. Not that much cold. And the distance is about 40 kilometers from here.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right.
You see on the left,
you see some hills. I think that is Nandi. I think so. I'm not pretty sure, but it's looking good.
Feels right.
It's been a long time since I've done a morning ride. The last morning ride which I did was to Billikal Forest. That's somewhere like about 90 kilometers from here. It's in Tamil Nadu. And before that it was Khosle Hills. That's in Andhra Pradesh. That's about like 140 kilometers from my place. I remember these roads like back in 2011 or something. I guess we had once planned to go to Nandi Hills and we got lost. We came through this road. Roads are pretty bad. I mean, they are in the verge of construction right now. So the last video which I saw, which was of Big Bang Biker, at that time he was telling like 1 year before the roads were like menace. Right now they are constructing new roads like these. And it's good to see good roads so that people can come see places which are less explored. The place which I'm going, the Dandiganahalli Dam, is less explored actually. People do go there, but not much. Most of the people, the first place which comes to their mind when someone thinks about an early morning ride is actually Nandi Hills. So some of my friends told me after seeing my first vlog that the first vlog was pretty lengthy. So the answer for that is I got lost. That was my first vlog and I actually got carried away the story of how I bought my bike. So if you've not watched the video, go ahead and watch it. I'll just link it onto the I button onto the top right corner. Oh my god, check out the view. Lush greenery, it's all around us.
Can you tell me when you want to be in time? There's a million different places and a million different heights. I'll climb the tallest of the mountains, the highest place I find, so that I can look over.
I don't know whether my GoPro will die, but as long as it goes, let it go.
Can you say that I disappeared? Can you say that I wasn't there for you when you went into hiding on the front steps of your porch? Then I reflected on the memories.
So this is the road to the Dandiganahalli Dam. It's pretty bad though, but it's worth it. Oh my god, oh my god. I literally never thought it was like this. But this is fun. Riding through the villages in Karnataka. It's actually a pretty nice village area. Oh my god. My hands are paining literally. That kid is waving at me. He was looking and smiling and waving at me. That was cute. Oh my god. This is a fun trip. Pretty damn fun.
Oh, why can't you see it was all
my god. This is beautiful. I literally don't regret coming here. I didn't reach the dam though, but still I am happy. What more does a biker want? Riding bikes is all about being happy. It's not the destination, but the view which you get. I literally have no words to say. I'm running out of words right now. I'm coming back to this place. Thank you so much, Big Bang Biker. No words to express. Life is all about enjoying, and I'm enjoying right now. And my friends are also enjoying. So that makes me happy too. So I think that is a dam. I seriously, yes, I think so. That is the dam. We have reached. Yes, this is the point. This is fun.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
I'm sorry, uncle and auntie, for bothering you. Wow, this is fun. This is madness.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and